Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, today we will do sums of exercise 10.3. The concept in this exercise that is time duration. Yes students, so take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes, these sums you have to do. First and second sum you will do in book and sum number 3 and 4 you will do in the notebook. Yes friends, now see how to do these sums. Watch it carefully. Yes, what is the statement? Draw the hands of the clock and write down the time when each activity will end. Yes, there is one activity is there here. Yes, starting time of activity is 1:20. Starting time of the activity is 1:20. Yes, we will write here 1:20. Yes, time it takes means for the activity how much time is needed, that is 1 hour. That is 1 hour. Yes, then when the activity will end, 1:20 is the starting time and after 1 hour when the activity will end, when it will end, here hours, this is 1 hour and plus 1 hour. Starting time is 1:20 and in hours it is 1, and after 1 hour what will be the time? Time will be 2:20. Time will be 2:20. And how we will draw the hands? Yes, firstly we will draw hours hand. Yes, then in the 4 here, 4's point is there, that will be of yes, like this we will do this sum. The time will be 2:20. We will write here 2:20. Yes, now let's move to part B. I will explain you this, but this you will do by yourself. Yes, the time is 10 o'clock. The time is 10 o'clock. Yes, it is 10. Then after that 8 hours. After 8 hours, this is the sleeping time, and 8 hours. After 8 hours, what will be the time? Firstly, now it is 10. Yes, when it will be on 11, 1 hour. Here 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now firstly our hand, this is of red color, it is here on 10. When 8 hours will be there, after 8 hours where this hand will be there? Here it is here now. After 8 hours, here 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour. Our hands will be here on 6. Yes, and minute hand is on 12. It will be no change in the minute hand. Yes, now the time will be 6. Yes friends, I have solved this sum now, but you will do the revision of these sums carefully. Yes, now there is sum number 2. Draw hands on the clock according to the given past time and write the time. Firstly, we have to draw the hands according to 4. We have to draw hands according to the 4 o'clock. Yes, this is the minute hand and this is the hour hand. It will be in front of 4. Yes, now the time is 4 a.m. Now 2 hours. After 4, 2 hours. Yes, it will be 6 because 4 hours plus 2 hours. It will be 6 hours. So what will be the time? Here the time will be 6 a.m. Now how to draw the hands? Minute hand will be on 12 and our hand will be on 6. Yes, now in the same way you will do part B. This part you will do by yourself. Now let's move to sum number 3. Yes, what is there? A washerman began washing the clothes at 8 a.m. Yes, starting time is 8 a.m. He took 5 hours to complete it. For washing the clothes, he took 5 hours. Find the ending time. Starting time is 8 a.m. and we have to find ending time, and ending time is after 5 hours. Yes, when he will complete the activity. Now see, starting time is 8 a.m. After 1 hour, time will be 9 a.m. After 1 hour, time will be 10 a.m. Now here 1 hour, 2 hour. Now again more 1 hour, time will be 11 a.m. Then one more hour, time will be 12. Yes, then after 12 again it will be 1, and here will be p.m. With 12 we are not writing am and pm. Yes, now here you can see how many hours passed. 1 hour, second hour, third, fourth, fifth. Means his ending time of the activity is 1 p.m. Yes, now see sum number 4. What is the statement of sum number 4? Ruchika went to a library at 9:30 a.m. Ruchika went to the library at 9:30 a.m. She spent 6 hours there. At what time did she leave from the library? Yes, she went to the library at 9:30 a.m. Yes, and she spent 6 hours. After 1 hour, time will be 10:30 a.m. After one more hour, time will be 11:30 a.m. and after one more hour, time will be 12:30 p.m. and after one more hour, time will be 1:30 p.m. and after one more hour, time will be 2:30 p.m. Now how many hours passed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more hour because she spent there 6 hours. Yes, the time will be 3:30 p.m. and she left the library. We will write she left the library at 3:30 p.m. Yes, like this we will do these sums. Yes friends, hope you have understood these sums. These are so easy sums, but a little bit carefulness is required to do these sums. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.